I'm Denise Brown. I live in Forest Hills, and I had Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling do a bathroom, closet, and bedroom for me in my daughter's basement. So we converted the laundry room into a bedroom, closet, and a bath. You don't see foundation walls anymore. You would have never known coming, if you didn't have to come down into the basement, you would never know this was a basement room. I looked at an individual contractor. He worried me a little because it was like, he'll do the work, I buy all the product. Looked at another one, I didn't like the wall system they used. Missy really works with you. When we were trying to pick product, the flooring and the tile in the bathroom and that, I mean, she let us wander the showroom. It was great. She just worked with us so well. She came here to finalize everything. She had all the product, and we looked at everything, matched it all up, said yes, and their foreman, Tobey, he's great. I mean, I've never known anybody that can work, that does everything. And they were just, they were very efficient, knowledgeable workers. We had they were a great crew. They were all worked together. You'd hear them laughing and talking down here, and it was, they were great. I don't know what else I can say. It's to check out Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling and give them a good shot because they are good. It was like I said, they go above and beyond to do the job great.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.